What is safe injection? A safe injection site is basically a place where injection drug users can go and inject safely and be supervised by nurses. They're given a kit, they're given clean needles, and a sterile environment. It's been known to prevent infection and bloodborne diseases, as well as stop an overdose before it happens. It's been tried in Vancouver's downtown east side. There's a safe injection site there called Insight that's saved a lot of lives and has benefited a lot of people. Now they're trying to start some in Toronto as well to bring this over here. And there's been a lot of pushback here, but it's actually, it's been tried before and it has worked. It has saved lives.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.